Eating a heart-healthy diet is essential for maintaining good cardiovascular health. Incorporating specific foods into your daily meals can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease and promote overall well-being. In this video, we will explore a variety of heart-healthy foods that can contribute to a healthier heart. 1. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve overall heart function. Here are some heart-healthy fruits and vegetables to consider. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants and flavonoids, which have been linked to a decreased risk of heart disease. Antioxidants protect the body from free radicals and reduce inflammation, which is beneficial for heart health. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and Swiss chard contain high levels of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as fiber and antioxidants that promote heart health. These greens are also low in calories and can help with weight management, which is important for heart health. Citrus fruits, oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are excellent sources of vitamin C, folate, and potassium, which can support heart health. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps prevent damage to the arteries, while folate and potassium help regulate blood pressure. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been associated with a reduced risk of heart disease. Lycopene helps prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which can lead to plaque buildup in the arteries. Avocados. Rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, avocados can help lower bad cholesterol levels and increase good cholesterol levels. They are also a good source of potassium, which plays a role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Aim for at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day, and choose a variety of colors to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. 2. Whole grains. Whole grains are an excellent source of fiber, which aids in digestion, lowers cholesterol, and reduces the risk of heart disease. Here are some heart-healthy whole grains to include in your meals. Oats. Oats are a good source of soluble fiber, which can help reduce cholesterol levels and improve heart health. They also contain antioxidants called avenanthramides, which have anti-inflammatory effects and may help protect against heart disease. Quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein and contains high levels of fiber, magnesium, potassium, and antioxidants that can benefit heart health. It is also gluten-free, making it a suitable option for those with gluten sensitivities. Brown rice. Compared to white rice, brown rice retains its bran and germ layers, providing more fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support heart health. It is also a good source of magnesium, which plays a role in maintaining a healthy heart rhythm. Whole wheat. Choose whole wheat bread, pasta, and cereals over refined grains to increase your fiber intake and promote heart health. Whole wheat products are higher in fiber and nutrients compared to their refined counterparts. Aim to make at least half of your grain consumption whole grains. 3. Lean proteins. Here are some heart-healthy protein options. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, and trout are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Omega-3 fatty acids also help improve the function of blood vessels and reduce the risk of abnormal heart rhythms. Skinless poultry. Chicken and turkey without the skin are lean protein sources that provide essential nutrients without the added saturated fat. They are also good sources of B vitamins, which play a role in maintaining a healthy heart. Legumes, beans, lentils, and chickpeas are low in fat and high in fiber, protein, and antioxidants, making them excellent choices for heart health. They're also rich in folate, iron, and magnesium, which are important for heart function. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are packed with heart-healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. They also provide plant-based protein and are a good source of magnesium and potassium, which are essential for heart health. 4. Healthy fats. Not all fats are detrimental to heart health. Including healthy fats in your diet can actually be beneficial. These fats help reduce bad cholesterol levels and lower the risk of heart disease. Here are some heart-healthy fats to include in your meals. Olive oil. Rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, olive oil can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. It is also a good source of vitamin E, which is important for heart health. Avocado oil. Similar to olive oil, avocado oil is also rich in monounsaturated fats and can have positive effects on heart health. 5. Limit sodium and added sugars. Reducing sodium and added sugar intake is essential for maintaining heart health. Here are some tips to reduce sodium and added sugar consumption. Read labels. Check food labels for sodium and added sugar content before purchasing products. Look for lower sodium options and choose foods with little to no added sugars. Cook at home. Cooking meals at home allows you to control sodium and added sugar levels in your dishes. Use herbs and spices. Flavor dishes with herbs, spices, and citrus juices instead of relying on excessive salt or sugar. Limit processed foods. Processed foods often contain high levels of sodium and added sugars. Prepare meals from scratch to have better control over the ingredients and avoid unnecessary sodium and sugar. Remember, small changes in your diet can lead to significant improvements in your overall heart health. If you like this video, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay healthy.